The present perfect continuous tense is a powerful tool in the English language that allows us to express actions or situations that started in the past and are still continuing in the present. In the field of urban planning, this tense can be particularly useful when discussing the development and evolution of city layouts over time. Continuous city layouts are those that have been constantly changing and adapting to the needs of their inhabitants, resulting in a dynamic and ever-evolving urban environment. One example of the present perfect continuous tense in urban planning is the transformation of New York City's skyline. Over the past few decades, the city has been continuously expanding and building new skyscrapers, reshaping its skyline and creating a modern and vibrant urban landscape. Tourists and locals alike have marveled at the changing skyline, which has been evolving before their very eyes. Another example of the present perfect continuous tense in urban planning is the gentrification of neighborhoods in cities like London. Gentrification is a process where working-class neighborhoods are transformed into more upscale and expensive areas, often resulting in displacement of long-time residents. In London, this process has been ongoing for years, with once run-down neighborhoods now featuring trendy cafes, boutique shops, and luxury apartments. In the realm of transportation planning, the present perfect continuous tense can be used to discuss the expansion of public transit systems in cities like Tokyo and Seoul. These cities have been constantly investing in new subway lines, bus routes, and bike-sharing programs, improving connectivity and reducing congestion. As a result, residents have seen their daily commutes become faster and more convenient, thanks to the ongoing efforts to enhance the transportation network. In conclusion, the present perfect continuous tense is a valuable tool in urban planning, allowing us to reflect on the continuous development and transformation of city layouts over time. By examining examples like the changing skyline of New York City, the gentrification of neighborhoods in London, and the expansion of public transit systems in Tokyo and Seoul, we can see how cities are constantly evolving and adapting to the needs of their residents. This tense helps us appreciate the dynamic nature of urban environments and the ongoing efforts to create more livable, sustainable, and inclusive cities for all.